art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a stitch holding a heart, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started splitting the paper in half. We're going to draw him holding the heart first. So right in the middle here, let's curve this line up and down on the left hand side. We'll start back in the middle. We're going to replicate this, arching that up and over. Let's move down for the hands. So stepping in, curving this around and through to the center. Let's come in towards the middle, drawing in another arch line. Let's come underneath. We're going to replicate that again, scooping this through, pulling that back into the top. Let's draw on the claws on these fingers now. So starting on the top, we're going to curve this line out, pulling that back in. We'll come down in the center, replicating that. Let's move underneath. We're going to curve this up to the center now, pulling that back through. Let's close off the arm, moving in towards the top. We're going to arch this around, pulling that through towards the hand. Let's come in underneath now, closing off the heart. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line through on a diagonal towards the center. And then from that point in the middle, again, we're just going to curve this back through on a diagonal towards that right arm. Let's come underneath, closing off the bottom half of the body. So on the left-hand side, scooping this around, pulling that up. Let's bend the knees here. So stepping up on the side, curving this up, and then back down, just leaving a gap from the arm. Now let's come in for the side of the body, just bringing this line up to the top. Let's come down for the feet, for that center toe. We're just going to draw in another arch line. Let's move across, replicating this. We're going to curve this around and through on the side. And then on the inside, we're just going to curve this down to the bottom. Let's step across, again, curving this around and back in. Now let's come underneath. From that corner, we're going to curve this down, pulling that back through on the side. Let's close off the bottom of the leg, arching that in to the top. And then we're just going to kind of curve this, flattening this out on the bottom of the body. Let's add in the details now. So coming in towards the middle, we're going to draw in a nice big circle in the center of that foot. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's move up again. We're going to curve this line across. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's move in towards the middle, replicating that. And then one more time, stepping down, finishing that off. Now let's come up for Stitch's face. So we're going to kind of frame it in the face first. That'll make it easier. So we're going to come over on the left-hand side. For the bottom of the face, we're going to curve this around and up for the cheek. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. We can line this up as best as we can. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now from here on the side, we're going to continue to blend this in, bringing this up, pulling that back down for the arch on top of the eye. Let's frame in the top of the head. So on either side, we're just going to curve a line that comes into the center, and we're going to leave a gap for that little tuft of hair right on the top. Now on this open space, we're going to step in on this line. We're going to curve this out and down. Let's step over again from that point, curving this out and then back in. Let's come down, framing in the nose. So from the center, stepping down, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line for the top of that nose. We're going to replicate that as we flip this around on the bottom. Let's draw on the nostrils, separating this on both sides, curving this line out. And then now from here, let's just color in those nostrils black. Let's add in some details above the nose. So we're going to draw in our bigger arch line on the bottom. And then we're going to move up above, replicating that, making that slightly smaller. Let's come across now for the eyes. So we're going to come across from the nose, leaving a gap. And we're going to curve this up, around, pulling that back in the corner there. We'll flip across, lining this up as best as we can on the same height on the left-hand side, and we're just going to replicate that, pulling that back in. Let's add in our highlights. On the top, we're going to draw in a diagonal oval. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Now let's color in those pupils black. Let's frame it around the eye now. So coming down from that corner, we're going to arch this line all the way up. And we're going to curve this across to the side of the head, kind of blending that line in together. We'll step across, again lining this up as best as we can at the same height, replicating that. Just kind of tucking that down on the side. Let's move through from the inside from that point, curving this down, pulling that back up. And then again, we will replicate this over on the left-hand side. Now in the center here, we're going to just draw in a small straight line coming down. Let's close off the mouth. So we're going to kind of arch this down, tucking this back up as we kind of round that out towards the bottom of the eye. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, pulling that through. Let's add in a corner bracket on each side of this line. Now coming underneath, just drawing in a small curved line. And then closing off the pattern on the chin, just drawing in a curved line on either side, closing that off. Lastly, let's flip across now, drawing the ears. So we're going to come across on the left-hand side, curving this out, up, and over. We'll do the exact same thing, lining this up as best as we can at the same height, and drawing that, finishing that off at the same height as well. Let's continue on the left-hand side. So we're going to curve this line down slightly. And then in this open space here, we're just going to draw in a sideways letter V. Now from that corner, we're going to curve this all the way back around and in towards the bottoms, leaving a small gap. Moving up, we're going to tuck this line in underneath. And then now moving through on the top, just continuing to curve this down to the side of the head. Now let's focus on Stitch's right ear. So we're going to extend this line a little further. We're going to start back on that line, curving this around, tucking that in on the side, and again just drawing in a sideways letter V. Now from that corner, we're going to curve this back around and in on the side, and then moving up, we're going to tuck this in, curving that through on the side. Let's move over on the top here. We're going to arch this line out towards the ear. And that is it. That's how you draw Stitch holding a heart. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.